approaching Golf Club, initiating a 1645.
All right, PI, we got a rollover.
31, right, 31, start EMS.
Start launching.
On Tuesday, September 9th, 2025, at approximately 6:08 p.m., Stockton police officers conducted a proactive vehicle check in the area of Doré Court and Pixie Drive. During the check, officers found a 19-year-old male sitting inside a vehicle that was double parked at the end of Doré Court. When officers approached, the man stood up and tried to leave the vehicle, ignoring their direct commands to stay. As officers attempted to detain him, he resisted and struggled against them. Despite multiple commands from the officers to stop, he rearmed himself.
You're double parked here. Is this your car?
Oh, no.
You have some on you?
No.
Okay. You have some on you?
No, sir.
I can shoot you. Stop! Stop right now! I'm gonna shoot you. Do you understand me? You're gonna get shot! Back! 12-20 is running! Shots fired!
This led to an officer-involved shooting, during which the suspect was struck multiple times. Additional officers arrived at the scene and secured the suspect. A loaded handgun and an additional fully loaded 17-round magazine were found next to him. Officers immediately provided medical aid, and American Medical Response arrived shortly after to transport the suspect to a nearby hospital. The suspect was later pronounced deceased. Albuquerque, New Mexico. On July 4, 2025, at approximately 12:20 p.m., Albuquerque police officers were dispatched to a residence on the 2100 block of South Branch Drive, Southwest. The call came from 21-year-old Jerry Baldonado, who requested police assistance regarding a family dispute. He also informed dispatch that his brother had a gun the previous day. When Officer Dominic Sanchez arrived and approached the residence, he announced twice that he was a police officer. As Sanchez neared the front door, Baldonado opened it and pointed what appeared to be a handgun directly at the officer. Believing his life was in immediate danger, Officer Sanchez fired 3 rounds, striking Baldonado in the arm, leg, and abdomen. The weapon was later identified as an airsoft BB gun, not a real firearm. Body camera footage showed Baldonado smiling and switching the replica gun between his hands before being shot.
Police department. Albuquerque police. What's up, y'all? Oh, dude, put it down. 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 You're gonna get shot. Put it down. Come. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Your hands up. Hands up. You need 10 through the air. Shots fired. Shots fired. Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach.
You think life is a joke?
Roll on your stomach.
Baldonado, who has a documented history of developmental disabilities and prior interactions with law enforcement, was transported to a hospital where he remains under treatment for his injuries. Authorities confirmed that Baldonado had previously made erratic 911 calls, including one in which he falsely claimed that he had been shot. The case remains under internal and multi-agency investigation to determine whether police procedures were properly followed and if any criminal charges will be filed. On June 12, 2025, in Livingston County, Michigan, officers from the Fenton City Police Department located a stolen vehicle traveling southbound on US 23 and initiated a pursuit. Livingston County deputies joined the chase near Clyde Road to assist. The stolen car exited the highway at Highland Road, M59, and continued westbound. As the pursuit approached Argentine Road, deputies deployed spike strips, but the driver managed to avoid them. Near this location, the stolen vehicle sideswiped another car that was stopped in the roadway, causing minor damage to both vehicles. The suspect continued south on Hughes Road, where he failed to stop at the intersection with Golf Club Road and collided with a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. The impact caused the Silverado to overturn against the guardrail. Both vehicles were disabled following the crash. The driver of the stolen vehicle was taken into custody without further incident. The driver of the Chevrolet Silverado, a 66-year-old Howell resident, was transported by Livingston County EMS to the University of Michigan Hospital in Ann Arbor as a precaution. He reported no significant injuries. The driver of the stolen vehicle was identified as 42-year-old Jeremy Nelson of Ypsilanti. He was transported to St. Joseph Hospital in Howell for medical evaluation before being lodged in the Livingston County Jail. Nelson was arraigned on June 13, 2025, on charges of fleeing and eluding police and receiving and concealing a stolen motor vehicle.
I'm 59 at the exit ramp.
Social 55, looks like we're going to be going westbound 59 from 23.
Clear westbound on 59 from 23.
Alright, so we're going to be right lane. Heavy traffic, speeds are 45. Looks like he's going to pull the light 59, 123. Still headed westbound.
And for units, it's going to be freshly stolen today out of Washtenaw.
Alright, my guys with sticks, we're coming up on you right now. Speeds are 45, he's slowing down. Looks like he's going into oncoming traffic.
You're going into oncoming traffic, 680, are you clear, correct?
Subaru stopped on the shoulder on the left side.
Do you think he stopped on the shoulder on the left side? Clear one around the 6.
We went around the sticks. We're going to be...
47, 44, and 71, they passed 686, they'll be approaching you.
Alright, we're southbound Hughes. Speeds look like 60 miles an hour. We're approaching Golf Club. See if I can try to shoot a pit.
They're approaching Golf Club, initiating a pit at 1645.
Alright, PI, we got a rollover.
PI, we got a rollover.
AI rollover.
Let me see your hands. Go! I'm strong now!
You alright? You're alright? Just you in the car? Is this you? Alright. He's good. He's good. Yep, stole driver's seat. Alright, break it up. Sorry, you almost got your hand. You good? Yep. Great. I didn't cut you, did I? Nope, I just poked some. You alright, bud?
Butler County, Ohio. On May 29, 2025, at approximately 6 p.m., Ohio State Highway Patrol troopers were conducting speed checks on Interstate 75 in Franklin Township when they observed a GMC Envoy traveling at 82 miles per hour in a 65 miles per hour zone. Troopers attempted to initiate a traffic stop, but the driver, later identified as Jennifer Wilson, failed to comply and continued driving for several minutes. During the pursuit, Wilson veered off the roadway and, in an attempt to regain control, overcorrected, causing her SUV to roll several times before coming to rest in the median. First responders quickly made their way to the crash scene. A passing nurse also stopped to provide assistance before emergency crews arrived. Wilson sustained minor injuries and was transported to a nearby hospital for treatment before being booked into jail. According to the Ohio State Highway Patrol, Wilson now faces multiple charges, including operating a vehicle under the influence, OVI, failure to comply with a lawful order, and losing control of a vehicle. Investigators also linked her to a hit-and-run incident reported earlier the same day in Montgomery County.
We're trying to box her in. Stand by. As you see that she's totally going around us. 1922, I'll try to pull her in. We're coming up to the rest area. I'll get in front again, see if you can push her over towards the shoulder.
Light traffic.
You ever get a good visual of the driver?
I believe so. She made eye contact with us. I think it's gonna be 79. Cut off. I felt something. I wasn't 100% sure.
I got gloves if he needs some. I don't know if there's any knives in there or not either.
Hey, what?
Knives? This is prescription. I got some sackcloth.
Well, then it was completely intentional. But it's 31.
Also, certain next available. Signal 5.
Okay, right now, I think all the blood is just from this laceration. They bleed really bad.
Okay.
She can tell me where she's at and what's happening and everything.
Did you get, do you have gauze?
I don't have any gauze in my. They got rid of them.
There's only containers with alcohol in here as well. Good.
You want some gloves? Plastic gloves?
Just in case.
Here.
I don't know if I'm like much touching.
We got
Are you feeling
sterile dressing. I assume this is some sort of wrap. EMS is